Hey guys, how to transfer money to Kraken Pro. So be aware that Kraken Pro and Kraken Wallet are the same. You log in with the same credentials and the same password. And if you want to deposit money to Kraken Wallet by hitting trade right here at the bottom, the purple button, and you're gonna see the first option, buy. Go ahead and hit buy. And once you select the crypto that you want to buy, let's say for example, Ripples, right? You're gonna enter the amount basically, right? And continue using the payment method. You can see right here the US dollars or US balance or Apple Pay, or in my case, if you have a debit card or credit card, you could just do that immediately, right? And whatever amount you buy on Kraken Wallet will be advanced or will be transferred to the Kraken Pro, really. So you can trade with it however you want, basically. So if we went back to our screen and went to go to the Kraken Pro, right, you're gonna see the same amount, the same portfolio, and you can go ahead and hit the portfolio right here at the bottom, right? And you're gonna see obviously the cryptos and everything, right? The balances for Bitcoin, as you can see, also the cash, the US dollar, and the Ethereum fetch.ai and everything. So there is no difference between Kraken Pro and Kraken Wallet if you want to transfer money to Kraken Pro, or if you want to deposit money on Kraken Wallet or Kraken Pro, you can do that either way, and the data or the amount will be inside both apps, right? So there isn't a difference. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.